Human society does not function by following nature, but by overlaying biological morality with artificial constructs. At our core, we possess a kind of proto-morality. Raw, evolutionary signals like fear, disgust, anger, and the sense of unfairness. These instincts evolved for survival. But in modern society, they are reinterpreted, through the lenses of politics, religion, and social hierarchy, to maintain a complex, functioning order. This process begins with educational molding. True altruism and systemic care are not purely instinctual. They are concepts presented to children, as they are integrated into the social machine. Children are taught to reinterpret their biological impulses. For example, I want that, through human-made rules, like property rights. In doing so, society replaces immediate physical reality with abstract moral concepts. The result is a world of artificial stimulation. In political discourse, rather than resolving actual threats, politics often manufactures artificial conflict by repurposing biological fear and disgust. This creates a feedback loop of debate with no endpoint, because the morality being discussed is a construct, not a biological necessity. In toxic dynamics, when rigid, human-made expectations, such as purity or duty, are forced over natural affection or individuality, the resulting friction creates the environment seen in families and institutions. Then there is the reinterpretation of the self. What we feel in our bodies as a natural reaction is immediately filtered through a cultural lens. We no longer just feel disgust, we feel moral outrage. We no longer just feel fear, we feel ideological threat. Ultimately, the human experience becomes the friction between what our bodies know and what our culture tells us those feelings mean. We now exist in a techno-moral landscape, where the artificial has become so deeply layered over the biological that we can no longer distinguish our instincts from our education.